thought it would be a peaceful winter hike. Friends walking through snow-covered forest, kids' sudden shadows twist between trees. Sound, wind howling plus snow crunching, footsteps crunched behind them. No one was there. Flashlight flickers gives glowing eyes stare from darkness. Sound, whispering plus rustling leaves. Branches snap. Snow fell from invisible shapes above. Snow falls unnaturally. Shadows move gives friends jump in fear. Sound, snow falling, plus snapping branches, plus suspense tone. Survival wasn't about warmth or food escaping the haunted woods. Close-up of terrified faces, shadows moving behind trees. Jump cut to black, sound, sudden silence plus echoing whispers.